Today I will take your class and I will take the class of English. Okay? And English, okay, I will revise the tense. I will revise tense, that English, and tense is there. Tense means time and also it is related in action. So which action is be going on and that which time, that will be also we can tell in the tense. So here 3 times we know that: past, present and future. Past, present and future. Okay. So here past, present and future, if it is there, I am just giving introduction. And past, something has just happened in the past, and present, that is going on, and future, it will be going on. Okay, that is for that tense. And past, you know that history and also story, it tells us past. Please remember only these things: history and story. If I am telling there is a frog prince, so can I tell there was a frog princess or frog prince? Like this we can start in the story. And also history: Akbar was a great king. Okay, so that is the past. And present, just present tense, whatever I am telling, whatever, actually the present tense is telling that whatever is going on now. So present tense also, here 4 divisions are there: simple, all the tenses, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Continuous, perfect continuous. So if I am telling the simple present tense is telling twice, 2 types of actions. One is that eternal truth, another is habitual actions. One is eternal truth. Please listen to me, that is very useful for always. Eternal truth or truth forever. Okay, that is eternal truth or ever means sun rises in the east or sun sets in the west. That we know that earth revolves around the sun. That is eternal truth. And also another thing I can tell you, that if I am telling I go to school every day, now you can tell that I do the class every day. I wake up at the morning 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning. Whatever I am doing everyday work and regularly in the present, that is called also simple present tense. And present continuous, whatever it is going on. Whatever it is going on means just you can say that whatever. Obhipsha, what are you asking, beta? Why are you giving that question mark? Please tell me. Oh, 10, but the time is when the next class will start. Past is not indefinite. Okay, but simple past we can tell. Universal train also in simple present tense. Yes, beta. But indefinite past I am not telling. I am just telling that simple past. Indefinite I have not given the here. Indefinite means actually we are using the present. So I am not writing these 4 sections. Not past. This for the 4 tenses I have given the 4 division. Not for the only one. Simple present, simple past continuous, past perfect, past continuous, present simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Simple future, all the tenses are 4 divisions, all the tenses, okay, not only one. And universal truth only for simple present, okay, that is universal truth or eternal truth, or you can tell that and another action is habitual action, okay. So please listen to me, that is present, past. If I am just here present tense, if I am telling that present tense only this 4 division, past tense also 4 divisions, and future tense also 4 divisions. So present tense, simple present, I am telling that universal truth or eternal truth. Example, sun rises in the east. Only one example I am giving. Habitual action, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So this is the simple present or present indefinite or universal truth. But present continuous, whatever I am doing, I am teaching you. You are listening to me. You are writing. Also I am writing. So is, am, are plus verb plus ing, that is present continuous tense. That is present continuous tense, okay. So simple present and present continuous I am telling. Simple present, universal truth and habitual action, and present continuous, action is going on, action is going on, action is going on, and here the present continuous tense, verb form am, is, are plus main verb plus ing. Please listen to me carefully. Okay, I will tell that. Third one, present perfect tense. Present perfect is that some work has just completed, but race is going on. Yes, walking, but you have to tell that I am walking. Because am, is, are, you have to add. And also present perfect tense, you have taken that breakfast, you have taken your breakfast, but you are not hungry. So you have to tell that I have taken my breakfast. Have, has plus present participle, past participle form of the verb. I have taken, I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. So that's why you have to think that have, has plus main verb plus past participle form of the verb. That is present perfect. After that, perfect continuous. Continuous tense, perfect continuous. Some work you have started in the past and now it is going on. In future it will be going on. Like that, school, your school. You have started the school 5 years back or 6 years back. Now your school is going on, school life is going on, and it may be continuing or 4 or 5 years or maybe 7 years. So you have to write like this: I have been studying in Bardwan Model School for 7 years. For 7 years, duration of the time. And next, same sentence, if I am telling, he has been studying in Bardwan Model School since 2016. You can tell, so since point of time for duration of the time. So please remember these 4 types of tenses. Only I have given the introduction. Simple present, only like this, I wake up in the morning, I wake up in 6 o'clock in the morning. So please remember, this is everyday habitual action. Sun rises in the east, this is universal truth. Second one, present continuous, class is going on, he is talking, she is listening, he is dancing, she is singing. So all these are going on. So this is present continuous tense. Present perfect, which is a period of time. Okay, that present perfect continuous, when I am telling that time, present perfect, I have completed my homework, I have completed my work, the work is just completed, but race is going on. I have taken my breakfast, so I am not hungry. So that is the thing, okay? So please remember all these things. Please remember. So this is the present perfect and present perfect continuous. I have been studying in Burdwan Model School for 7 years. This for 7 years, the duration of the time or period of time, this is the period of time. But when I am telling, I have been studying here since 2015. Since 2015, whenever since the time I am just telling that time I am just telling the since. Please remember these things. Just I am giving introduction. If you are having problem, you can tell your ma'am. Okay, beta, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.